How to find a removed Snapchat friend. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find a removed Snapchat friend. So open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you're in the Snapchat application, navigate to the chat section. Look for the chat of the friend you want to find. In the chat, you will see your friend's Bitmoji or profile picture. Tap on it. Take a note of their username. You can usually find their username displayed below their Bitmoji or profile picture. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Manage Friendship. Look for the option that says Remove Friend and tap on it. Tap on Remove to proceed with removing them from your friend list. After removing the friend, you can tap on the Add Friend plus icon to add them back. Type in their username in the search bar and tap on Add to send them a friend request. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.